Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monica Lobolobo. I will be talking about, does achievements have age limits? No, I don't think so. Achievements like your degree, your career, your dream career at a certain age, achieving, getting married, having your children, having a settled home, your dream car, your dream home, planning to, at a certain stage of life, so many people have this dream of, at least from so age, I should be able to do this, I should be able to do that. While some people, they will still pass that age and they are not even close. Why some of these people will still be walking, taking a step, not giving up. Why some people they just give up and they say, no, it's finished. If at this my age I have not achieved this, I have not achieved that, I have not achieved this, and all my, even my juniors have gotten all of it, and no need to pursue it. You are the person I'm talking to this. You are the reason I am talking. I want to encourage you. I want to tell you that there is no age limit when it comes to achieving anything you want to achieve. No age limit. The only limitation there is you. You are the only one that can limit yourself from getting where you want to go. Yes, you are your self-limitation. Don't stand stagnant. You stand still and you want to get forward. It's not possible. You have to be walking. It doesn't matter the step you are taking. Yeah, what I mean by step, like, okay, some people can be walking and they have this, a lot of finance they can save after month, after their salary, after paying all their bills. But you don't have that huge amount to save. But even what you are saving, it is something. When you keep on, when you proceed on continuing pursuing it, before you know, you are already there. You are not even close. You will not be close, but you will already be there. What is that thing that you wish, that thing that you dream of, but today you are just standing stagnant? You are giving up because you have been pursuing it for years. Success don't come just like that. You have to persistence. You have to continue to be pursuing it. You have to persevere. You have to continue even when you are not seeing huge results. It will come at the end. There is no achievement that have age limits. Even school these days doesn't have age limits. Anything you want to achieve doesn't have age limits. It all depends on you. Have you already given up on that job, on your career job, on the kind of car you want to ride, on the kind of house you want to stay, on the kind of how you want your life to be? You can rebuild it again. Has something happened along the line? Is it your dream man? But don't forget, man don't complete you. You have to be fully prepared for your happiness. You are responsible for your happiness. Your partner is not responsible for your happiness. So if you are thinking, if I get a man, that is when my life will begin. Darling, you are standing stagnant. It's not good for you. Before any achievement that you want to achieve, just keep moving, keep going. And when you are going, They will all be coming up from this side, and meeting you up from this way. But when you stand and just be waiting for one, if I never marry, I will not achieve this. If I never born, I will not achieve this. You are delaying yourself, darling. Or if I never do this, I will not born. If I never do this, I will not marry. If I never do this, I will not step to the other stage of life. And those of you that also, everything you have tried, nothing work. Now you are at the age where you yourself tell to yourself, I am good for nothing. And you just tell to pick anything that comes your way. You don't have choice anymore. I am telling you, you are the limitation of yourself. You are the one that put yourself in that situation where you are. That situation where you now think, I don't have choice. It's your heart, your thinking, your mind that have put you in that stage. If you want to change it, you can change it. This evening, I come with a message of hope to change it. Whatever you want to achieve in life, you can achieve it. Just get up. Start pursuing it. Start working towards it. Whatever you want to achieve in life. You might say, what is she talking about? Do you know what I want to achieve? Look at me, I'm so age right now. Where do you want me to start from? Do you still have life? Can I also ask you a question? Do you still have life? If you still have it, you wake up every morning, you are not sick, you are not in the hospital bed. Go for your dream. Go for your goal. Pursue that your dream. Your dream is not dead. You just left it to be sleeping. You left the dream to be sleeping. Go and pick it up again. Wake it up and begin to walk towards it. Begin to run towards it. Begin to achieve your goal. You can do it. This is my message of hope to everyone out there who think, where can I start from again? I'm just going to sit here. I'm just going to be enjoying the little I have until God knows when. If you really are still willing to try again, get up and pursue your goals. The goals of your life, no one can achieve them for you. You are the one to break the limitation of your life. I don't know what you are passing through. I don't know that thing that is your limitation. I don't know the thing that have made you think this my situation can never be changed. I am telling you, give it a try by doing something about it. Have you been doing something about your situation? Or you just sit down and keep memorizing it and keep memorizing my situation? Have you really sit down to do something to change it? Don't forget, nothing goes for nothing. To get to another stage, you have to get up and climb to get to another stage. You have to sacrifice. You can't just be there and you say, it didn't come. I tried. You tried before. Successful people will fall, and 400 times they will rise up again. People you see that achieve those dreams that were in your eye, they did not just sit down, fold their hand, and give up on everything that made them achieve it. They work for it. They pursue it. They fall several times, but they raise themselves up again. And now you are seeing them with it. Come on, this is a message of hope for you. Get up wherever you are. Pick yourself together. It is never too late for anything you want to achieve. Go ahead and achieve your dream and your goal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you all so much. See you next time. Bye-bye. Follow me on my social media platform, Instagram, Monica12.12, and also on Facebook, Monica the show of the people. Thank you. See you there.